the LG A02s here, and today I'm doing a video for the Samsung Galaxy A02s for AT&T PREPAID. So the Galaxy A02s is now handled at AT&T PREPAID. It's available now in black. You'll have 32 GB of storage, and it's $69.99 in contrast, of course. So this is a budget phone for AT&T PREPAID. So so the Galaxy A02 as now makes its way to another prepaid carrier, so just about every carrier has this phone now, so pretty cool there. So that's why I'm going to take Galaxy A02 here. So that's the phone. It looks like the Galaxy A01 on the front of the phone there. Very nice looking phone. Pretty decent space for what it is, a budget phone, of course. The full retail price of the Galaxy A02s is $119.99, so you're getting it, $50 off, so it's definitely worth it. You got a little early to get a backup phone or whatever. So yeah. So anyways, the Galaxy A02s has a 8 GB true navigation camera, power and RAM case with the universal phone there. Yeah. I will show you guys more pictures here in a second. So it says that you need a phone that you can count on. The Galaxy A02s were taking the everyday essentials and kick them up a notch. That means you get a long-lasting battery, HDMI storage, a sleek edge-to-edge display, and a standout multi-lens camera experience, all at an affordable price. So, pretty nice. Here are all pictures of the Galaxy A02s here. So this is from the phone, left side there, the right side has your power and the phone keys. On the back of the Galaxy A02s, it has 3 cameras. Camera for Samsung logo, and looks like it has like this pattern in the back. That's pretty nice. It has a Galaxy S20 camera setup. I think you have a depth sensor and an ultra wide lens on there as well. So yeah, there's just back there. There's a back on a different angle. I think your SIM card and micro SD card is on the left side of the phone. So that is not removable. It's kind of hard to tell because the phone is black. It's kind of hard to tell. But I think your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side. So yeah. Collapse this here. Let's get to specs. Like I said, the Galaxy A02s is a budget smartphone, guys. So they keep it in mind. So they have to get 32 GB of internal storage to fit your life. 5,000 mAh battery. 6.5 inch HD plus 10 dB display. 4 cameras. 4 camera lenses for endless possibilities. 3 in the back and 1 in the front, of course. Here are the dimensions on the Galaxy A02s. 6.56 inches height, 2.99 inches width, and 0.36 inches depth. The Galaxy A02s weighs 7.23 ounces. Screen size, like I mentioned, 6.5 inches HD plus Infinity dB display, 720 by 1600 pixels. 3 cameras in the back. You got a 13 megapixel main camera with an f2.2 aperture lens and 80-degree field of view there, along with a 2 megapixel macro camera with f2.4 aperture, and then a depth sensor at 2 megapixels with an f2.4 aperture lens there. You get 4K videos at 30 frames, video playback, Full HD at 60 frames, 5 megapixel front-facing camera with f2.2 aperture lens. The shooting options, you get live focus, photo, video, pro panorama, and macro lens there. So you get a couple pretty cool camera features there. The battery in this one is 5,000 milliamps, not removable. 40 hours of talk time, 18 days standby time. Audio playback, 50 hours on the speaker, and 95 hours on the headset. Fast charging, of course, it needs a fast charging. There's a big ass battery in it. Time to charge 50% is 82 minutes. Time to charge to 100% is 210 minutes. Snapdragon 450 processor, octa-core, 1.8 GHz. So it has an old ass processor. So that's what's the biggest thing about the Galaxy A02s. That it has an old ass processor, and it has the same processor as the LG Stylo 2. You guys remember that time from 2016? The Stylo 2 had a Snapdragon 450 processor in it, and this indeed has a Snapdragon 450 processor, which is very old, and that is a 5-year-old processor. I don't know why Samsung went ahead and put a Snapdragon 450 in this phone. I don't know why. I just think it's bullshit. That's like the biggest strong about the phone. And then you get 32 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable up to 1 terabyte via micro SD, so take advantage of that, and you get 2 gigabytes of RAM. That's also in the Nano column as well. It has 2 gigabytes of RAM on here, but we're in 2021, and we're still getting 502 gigabytes of RAM, which is ridiculous. So I don't know why Samsung decided to put 2 gigabytes of RAM in here. I do get that this is a better smartphone, but at least put 2 gigabytes of RAM in here, at least 3 gigs, at least 3, more than that. The RAM's a con, and the chipset is a major con. So the chipset itself is the biggest con about the phone, and then the RAM is a close second. So don't know why Samsung decided to put a 5-year-old chipset in the phone, and I don't know why they went with 2 gigabytes of RAM. Don't know why. It's just bullshit. But you do get Android 10, which is very nice, but when you want a 2.0, I believe it is, so not too bad. You do get 4G, of course, no 5G. You get bands 2, 4, 5, 12, and 14, 4G, 3G, GSM, Wi-Fi, which are quad-band, AC voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T voice, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity, 802.11, ABG and AC, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, no suppression, miles, emergency alerts, and it takes a data SIM card. Okay? Sensors, you have accelerometer, barometer, proximity, nothing special. No fingerprint, nothing like that. There's text messages there. YouTube music is installed. So YouTube music is the default music player. And it's just sustainability there. Product codes. So it doesn't tell you what comes with the phone. So it's kind of interesting. What comes in the box is your quick start guide, quick charge adapter, Type-C charging cable, SIM card, ejection pin, and your health and safety guide there. So pretty nice. That's so your standard stuff in the box, nothing special. So there you guys have it, man. The Galaxy A02s is now here at AT&T Prepaid. It's available now for $69.99. So if you guys are looking to get a better phone for yourself or a fresh one for your kid, this phone could be worth checking out. There are 2 big cons about the phone there, of course. The biggest con is that it has a Snapdragon 450 processor, which is 5 years old. If you guys want a comparison between if you guys want a comparison on the chipset, the Snapdragon 450 is the same processor that was in the LG Stylo 2 from 2016, guys. That's how old this processor is. The Snapdragon 450 processor is old as shit. It is old as shit. Don't know why Samsung decided to put a 5-year-old processor in here. Don't know why. That's like the biggest thing about the phone. And then the other major thing is its RAM at 2 gigabytes. I mean, this is a budget phone. I do understand that, but at least put 3 gigabytes of RAM in here. At least 3 gigabytes of RAM. Come on now, like Come on, Samsung, this is ridiculous. So, yeah, so the two big cons about the phone is its chipset and its RAM, but other than that, it's a pretty decent phone, nice looking phone as well. So, yeah, so there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A02s now available at AT&T PREPAID. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.